Welcome to Roll for Sushi. Let's roll. Fisherman's Inventory. 15. Mentaiko. This is seasoned pollock roll commonly eaten in Korea and Japan. It's cured in salt and spices and has a very delicate membrane. Let's roll for sauces next so we can mix it in with the mentaiko. 1. Spicy mayo. Let's go ahead and remove the membrane. We'll add 3 parts Kewpie to 1 part sriracha. It's going to be creamy, spicy, and smooth. Sushi polymorph. 10. Onigiri. These are Japanese rice balls and they come in many different shapes. Here we're going to make the ball-shaped one. These are great for picnics and are commonly found in convenience stores. For the nori aspect, we're going to use this new lacy type called gamte. When distressed, it kind of makes this bird's nest. We'll go ahead and roll them in here. They don't look the way that we hoped. Mercers. 9. Umebushi. These are the salty and sour pickles that we've had in multiple episodes. Let's go ahead and dice it up into a fine paste. It should be a nice contrast to the spicy mayo flavors. Kind of looks like a baby cactus. Let's have a taste. Wow, there's a lot going on and I liked every aspect of it. The spicy mayo gives the mentaiko a smooth and rich flavor. The nori tastes like truffle, which is a nice surprise. Just when I think everything is becoming too rich, the umeboshi's acidity shines through. 8.3 out of 10 and it goes in the top 100 list. Last one for camera woman.